Okay, Javi, I'm going to show you how to do a speed ramp here. We're going to make this fly down to this pool and slow down there. So we got our standard speed. So what I'm going to do, what you have to do first, you right click, show clip keyframes, time remapping, speed. And that enables this to see this line here. This is your speed ramp, your speed line. So we'll go for a couple seconds like that. Stop, you right click. Oh wait, I guess you do that. Yeah, I guess you can do a command click. But anyway, so there. Getting a little closer, you can see this can be pulled apart, and that's your. Get a little bigger here. See, this has some little handlebars on it. We're gonna go ahead and speed this up. Oops. Just drag it up like that. We'll go to about a 900%. That's usually pretty good. And that and then, but to make this even more smooth, you can use these handlebars. I think. Let me see this. There we go. It makes it a little smoother. Let's see. Right about here. Put in another one. So command click. That, and bring this back down to 100%. And this handlebars doesn't really do a whole lot. It kind of smooths it, but pretty good. So there we go. So you can see how this is turned here. We could make it smoother if we open it up a little bit. Voila.